Welcome to all. Today we'll take up Biology Unit 9, which include three topics. Number 1, excretory product and their elimination. Number 2, neural control and coordination. Number 3, chemical coordination and integration. First topic, excretory product and their elimination. Question number 1. In human being, kidneys are situated between dash close to the dorsal inner wall of the abdominal cavity. So kidneys, excretory organ located within the abdominal cavity on a dorsal side of the body. See the diagram. This is the cervical vertebrae, 7 cervical vertebrae in human, thoracic vertebrae, 12 thoracic vertebrae in human. Next region called it as lumbar vertebrae, 5 in number. Kidneys are located in between last thoracic and third lumbar vertebrae. Correct answer, third. Question number 2. Select the incorrect statement from the following. Number 1. Animal accumulate ammonia, urea, uric acid, carbon dioxide, water by the metabolic activity. Correct. During metabolic activity, production of different types of substances like urea, uric acid, etc. Number 2. Animals accumulate substances like ions and urea, ammonia, uric acid and water are removed totally or partially. So these metabolic products, mainly nitrogenous waste products, either removed partially or it may be totally. Correct statement. Ammonia produced by the metabolism is converted into urea in the liver of the mammals. Correct. Ammonia produced by the metabolism converted into urea in the liver of mammal. Urea produced in the liver by a cycle called it as urea cycle. Correct statement. Kidneys play significant role in the removal of ammonia directly. False statement. Kidney does not play significant role in the removal of ammonia directly. Kidney play an important filtering the urea from the blood. Hence incorrect statement 4, answer 4. Select the order of toxicity, ammonia, urea and uric acid. These are the three major nitrogenous waste products produced by the animal. Ammonia is a highly toxic, urea less toxic than ammonia, uric acid least toxic. Hence answer 1. Question number 4. Ammonia which is produced by the metabolism is converted into dash in the liver. Ammonia produced by the metabolism is converted into urea by a cycle called it as urea cycle, which requires ammonia as well as carbon dioxide. It enters into the urea cycle during with the production of urea. Urea is a byproduct. It occurs in a liver. Correct. In the liver of mammals and released into the blood, which is filtered and it is excreted through the urine. Hence correct answer 2. Question number 5. Aquatic animals are mostly aminotelic because ammonia helps in checking the inflow of water into the body. False. Excretion of ammonia requires large amount of water which is available in this animal. Correct answer. Aminotelic animal excrete nitrogenous waste products in the form of ammonia. Ammonia is highly toxic, easily diffusible and its elimination requires large amount of water. Hence correct answer 2. Question number 6. Select the correct statement from the following. In most of the invertebrate, excretory structures are in a complex tubular forms. Wrong statement. In most of the invertebrate, excretory structures are simple tubular forms. For example, flame cells, nephridia, which are simple tubular structure. Number 2. Vertebrates have simple tubular organ as excretory structures like kidney. False statement. Vertebrates have complex tubular organs as excretory structures like kidney. Uriniferous tubule is a complex excretory unit. Third, Protonephridia is primarily concerned with excretion. Solenocyte or flame cells found in Platyhelminthes and other groups primarily concerned with osmoregulation, not the excretion. Third statement is incorrect. Fourth, Protonephridia are excretory structures found in rotifers. Number 2, annelids. Number 3, cephalopods. Fourth statement is correct. Answer 4. Question number 7. Coxal glands are excretory organs of Arthropoda with wide varieties of excretory organs. Spiders and scorpions with coxal gland or antennate gland helps in removal of the nitrogenous waste products. Insect, Malpighian tubules, annelid, nephridia, mollusca, organ of Bojanus or the Caber's organ. Coxal gland are excreted organs of spiders and scorpion. Hence answer 1. Question number 8. Extension of the cortex in the medulla is known as. See the LS of the kidney, two region, outer cortex as well as the inner medulla. Cortex extend into the medulla as column of Bertani, renal column. Columnae carneae is found in ventricles of the heart. Hence correct answer 4. Question number 9. Which of the following is correct about hilum of the kidney? So this is the structure of a kidney. Kidney with the two surfaces, one called concave surface, another one called the convex surface. Concave surface is called it as hilum, through which ureter arises out, artery, blood vessels takes its entry as well as exit. It is a notch through which ureter, nerve as well as blood vessel enter. Answer 3. Question number 10. Which of the following is incorrect about human kidney? Number 1. Kidney is covered by tough capsule. Correct statement. Each kidney is well protected by different layer, renal capsule, renal fascia as well as adipose tissue, mainly protective in function. Number 2. Kidney is divided into cortex, medulla on the outer side. False statement. Kidney, peripheral region of the kidney called cortex, inner region called it as medulla. Second statement is incorrect. Third, cortex is extended in between the medullary pyramid and the renal column of the Bertani. Correct. Cortex extend into the medulla called the column of Bertani. Fourth, kidney is situated close to the dorsal inner wall of the abdominal cavity. Position of the kidney correct. Incorrect statement. Answer 2. Question number 11. Which of the following sets of animals are uricotelic? Fish, aminotelic, or it may be ureotelic. Snake and fowl, uricotelic. Man, ureotelic. Fish, aminotelic, or it may be ureotelic. Frog, ureotelic. Lizard and fowl, uric acid excreting animal, uricotelic. Crow, snake, cockroach, lizard, all are uricotelic animal, excrete nitrogenous waste products in the form of uric acid. Camel, ureotelic. Dog, ureotelic. Monkey, ureotelic. Man belongs to ureotelic animal. Hence, the following sets of animals uricotelic. Third set, answer 3. Question number 12. A part of nephron is situated in the cortex completely. So the structure of a nephron or uriniferous tubule with a different region, Bowman's capsule, Malpighian body or Malpighian corpuscles, proximal convoluted tubule, Henle's loop, distal convoluted tubule, collecting tubule. Malpighian corpuscles, proximal convoluted tubule, distal convoluted tubule completely located in cortex. On the other hand, Henle's loop and partly collecting tubule located within the medulla. Hence, correct answer 1. Question number 13. Select the incorrect statement from the following. The DCT of many nephrons opens into the straight tube called collecting tubule. Many DCT opens into the straight tube called it as collecting tubule. Correct statement. In cortical nephron, the loop of Henle is too short and extend only very little into the medulla. Correct statement. Two different types of nephron, one called cortical nephron, another one called juxtamedullary nephron. Cortical nephron in which Henle's loop is very short, extended only very little region of the medulla. Third statement, juxtamedullary nephron, minority, it constitutes 15% of the total nephron. The loop of Henle is very long and runs deeply into the medulla. Second statement correct, third statement is correct. Fourth, vasa recta is not a part of the peritubular capillary. peritubular capillary that surround the Henle's loop, called it as vasa recta. Hence, it is a part of the peritubular network. Fourth statement is wrong. Answer 4. Question number 14. Malpighian corpuscle is, this is structure of the Malpighian body or the Malpighian corpuscles. Malpighian corpuscles is made up of two components. Number 1, Bowman's capsule. Number 2, glomerulus. Glomerulus along with Bowman's capsule together called Malpighian corpuscles. Combined name for glomerulus and Bowman's capsule. Answer 3rd. Question number 15. Blood vessel draining the glomerulus in mammalian nephron called. This is structure of the Malpighian body or Malpighian corpuscles. This is called glomerulus. Glomerulus receives blood supply by means of afferent renal arteriole with wider diameter and leave the glomerulus by efferent renal arteriole with narrow diameter. Efferent arteriole and is narrower than the vessel entering to it. Hence, correct answer 3rd. Question number 16. Following are the points of mechanism of juxtaglomerular apparatus. Arrange them accordingly. Juxtaglomerular apparatus made up of juxtaglomerular cells play an important role in kidney function or regulate the glomerular filtration rate. It is formed by the cellular modification between afferent renal arteriole as well as DCT, distal convoluted tubule, at their contact. Whenever fall in glomerular filtration rate, juxtaglomerular cell gets activated and it releases renin. Renin is a very important hormone. This renin hormone converts angiotensinogen into angiotensin 1. Angiotensin 1 converted into angiotensin 2. Angiotensin 2 is a powerful vasoconstrictor. It increases the BP, it increases the glomerular filtration rate. Hence, in a sequential order, C, A, B, D, E. Answer 2. Question number 17. The person is suffering from the disease called muscular dystrophy. Will eliminate in urine great amount of. Muscular dystrophy is a genetical disorder during which the degeneration of the muscle, during which the release of the creatine is a nitrogenous waste products. Hence, urine rich in creatine. Answer 3. Question number 18. Brush border is a characteristic of. Brush border, Malpighian body, is a PCT. Wall of the PCT is lined by cuboidal epithelium with the brush border meant for reabsorption of the substances. So, hence it is located in proximal convoluted tubule. Answer 3. Question number 19. Glomerular filtration rate would be decreased by construction of the efferent arteriole, wrong statement, increase in the efferent arterial pressure, increase in the renal blood pressure or blood flow, wrong statement, compression of the renal capsule would be decreased, decrease of the glomerular filtration rate. Correct answer 3rd. Question number 20. Which of the following is incorrect about ultrafiltration? Ultrafiltration is the filtration of blood of glomerulus into the Bowman's capsule through endotheliocapsular membrane, called ultrafiltration. It occurs within the Malpighian corpuscles. Statement 1. Podocytes are arranged in an intricate manner so as to leave minute space called filtration slit and slit pore. Filtration occurs finally through these pore. Correct statement. Inner wall of the Bowman's capsule is lined by specialized squamous epithelial cells, called it as podocytes. These podocytes arranged in such a way that leave a slit pore through which filtration of substances from the blood of glomerulus into the Bowman's capsule. First statement is correct. Second, filtration is so fine that almost all constituent of the blood except protein pass on to the lumen of the Bowman's capsule. Second statement is incorrect. Filtration is so fine that almost all constituent blood, instead of blood, plasma except protein pass on to the lumen of the Bowman's capsule. Second statement is incorrect. Filtered fluid is isotonic to the blood plasma. That means primary urine as well as blood with the same tonicity or osmolarity. Fourth, juxtaglomerular controls the filtration rate of the ultrafiltration. Correct statement. Incorrect statement 2. Correct answer 2. Question number 21. Which of the following is incorrect about PCT, means proximal convoluted tubule? Number 1. Lined with simple cuboidal epithelium, brush border cells. PCT is lined by brush border epithelium. Correct statement. All essential nutrient and 70 to 80% of the electrolytes and water are reabsorbed here. Correct. Major reabsorption takes place in proximal convoluted tubule. Hardly 70 to 80% of essential nutrient and electrolytes which are absorbed in proximal convoluted tubule. Third, it helps in the pH maintenance of the body fluid by selective secretion of H+ ion and by the absorption of HCO3-. Correct. PCT as well as DCT play an important role in maintenance of ionic balance or pH of the blood or the body fluid by secreting these substances. Correct statement. Fourth, it does not help in maintenance of the ionic balance of the body fluid. False. PCT play an important role in maintenance of ionic balance of the body fluid. Incorrect statement 4. Answer 4. Select the total number of correct statements about the loop of the Henle. This is the loop of the Henle, descending limb of Henle, ascending limb of Henle. This is the vasa recta, descending limb of vasa recta, ascending limb of vasa recta. Statement 1. Descending limb is permeable to water. Descending limb of Henle permeable to water. Correct. Descending limb is almost impermeable to electrolyte. Correct statement. It is permeable to water, but it is impermeable to electrolyte. Third, ascending limb is impermeable to water. Ascending limb is impermeable to water, but it is permeable to the electrolyte. Fourth, allows the transport of electrolyte only actively. Fourth statement is wrong. It allows the transport of electrolyte actively as well as passively. Fourth statement is wrong. Fifth, at the tip of the loop of the Henle, the concentration of the filtrate is 1200 milliosmolarity. Correct statement. So inner medullary region with high osmolarity about 1200 milliosmolarity. Correct statement. Sixth, it helps in maintenance of the high osmolarity in the medullary interstitium. Henles play an important role in maintenance of the medullary interstitial tonicity, means higher tonicity. Sixth statement is correct. Answer 5. Question number 23. Which of the following is incorrect about counter current mechanism? Henle's loop, vasa recta play an important role in maintenance of concentration of the urine. Helps in concentration of the urine by a mechanism called it as counter current mechanism. Number 1. Flow of filtrate in two limbs of the vasa recta in opposite direction. Wrong statement. Flow of, instead of filtrate, means blood in two limbs of the vasa recta. So the vasa recta flow in opposite direction. Wrong statement. Number 2. Flow of blood in two limbs of vasa recta, opposite direction. Correct. So flow of blood in different limbs of the vasa recta in opposite direction. Correct statement. Third, sodium chloride is transported by the ascending limb of the Henle, which is exchanged with the descending limb of the vasa recta. Sodium chloride transported ascending limb of the Henle's. This is the ascending limb of Henle exchanged with the descending limb of the vasa recta. Correct statement. Fourth, sodium chloride is returned to the interstitium by the ascending portion of the vasa recta. Sodium chloride exchanged with the medullary interstitium. So in ascending portion of the vasa recta. Fourth statement is correct. Incorrect statement 1. Answer 1. Question number 24. The total filtrate formed in 24 hours in human kidney is total filtrate, called glomerular filtration rate. Glomerular filtration rate per minute, it is 125 ml. Formed in 24 hours, about 180 liters. Answer 4. Question number 25. Which of the following is mostly likely to cause an increase in the glomerular filtration rate? Blockage of the ureter. Wrong. Dilation of the efferent renal arteriole. Wrong. Release of renin from juxtaglomerular apparatus. Renin play an important role increasing glomerular filtration rate. Correct answer 3. Question number 26. Part of the nephron that helps in active reabsorption of the sodium. Active reabsorption of the sodium requires energy. So usually it occurs proximal convoluted tubules of uriniferous tubule. Correct answer 4. Question number 27. Which of the following substance actively secreted into glomerular filtrate of the kidney tubule? Actively secreted into the glomerular filtrate. H plus, K plus as well as ammonium ion is secreted either PCT or in DCT. So here answer 4 correct. Question number 28. When person suffering from poor renal absorption, which one of the following will not help in maintenance of the blood volume? Increased ADH secretion, decreased glomerular filtration, decreased arterial pressure in a kidney helps in maintenance of the blood volume except third, increased arterial pressure in a kidney. Hence correct answer third. Question number 29. The number of nephron in kidney is equal to number of Bowman's capsule. Each uriniferous tubule with the single Bowman's capsule. Hence number is equal to number of Bowman's capsule. Answer 1. Question number 30. If Henle's loops were absent from the mammalian nephron, which of the following is to be expected? Henle's loop play an important role in concentration of the urine. Option 1, the urine will more dilute. Correct. Absence of the concentration mechanism. Hence correct answer 1. Question number 31. Which of the following statement is or are true? Number 1. Urine is hypertonic in distal convoluted tubule. Urine is hypotonic or isotonic in DCT. Wrong. When the urine passes into the collecting tubule, it becomes hypotonic. Wrong statement. When urine passes to the collecting tubule, it gets hypertonic, not hypotonic. Second statement is wrong. Third, urine is isotonic in PCT. Correct. Urine is isotonic in PCT. Fourth statement. Urine becomes more and more hypotonic as it passes to the descending limb of the Henle's. As the urine or primary passes descending limb, it becomes hypertonic, not hypotonic. Fourth statement is wrong. Hence, answer 4. Question number 32. Arrange the following steps in order. Role of ADH in regulation of kidney function. Antidiuretic hormone. It is released by the posterior pituitary, play an important role in regulating glomerular filtration rate. So, whenever excess of body fluid, loss of body fluid, stimulation of osmoreceptor. Number 3, stimulation of hypothalamus, release ADH or vasopressin. ADH facilitates water reabsorption from the distal tubule, increase in the body fluid, switch off osmoreceptor and suppress the release of ADH. Thereby, it checks the diuresis, hence the name antidiuretic hormone. Correct answer 1. Question number 33. Which of the following is true about renal transplantation? Number 1. Kidney transplantation is ultimate method at the stage where the drug or dialysis do not help. Correct. Number 2. Immunosuppressant agent are used in kidney transplant patient. Correct. Kidney transplantation requires immunosuppressant agent to minimize the graft rejection. Graft rejection is because of cell-mediated immunity. So hence one has to inject immunosuppressant drug like cyclosporin. Correct. Third, close relatives are often used in as kidney donor to minimize the risk of rejection. Correct statement. Fourth, all of the above. Option 4. Question number 34. Find the correct steps in micturition. Arrange in order. Micturition means expelling out of urine from the urinary bladder. It is by reflux, called it as micturition refluxes. When urinary bladder is sufficiently filled with urine, stretch receptor gets activated, send signal to the central nervous system through the sensory neuron. Central nervous system respond by sending signal to the urinary bladder, wall of the urinary bladder, as well as sphincters through the motor neuron. Wall of the urinary bladder gets contract, and the relaxation of the sphincter muscles widening out of the urine by a process called micturition is by reflux. Correct answer 1. Question number 35. Sweat contains. So skin acts as a excretory organ. Primary function is the thermoregulation, and the secondary function, it acts as a excretory organ by excreting different unwanted substances. So skin with sweat gland or sudoriferous gland, which excrete watery fluid with the sodium chloride, urea, lactic acid. Correct answer 4. Question number 36. Select the incorrect statement from the following. Liver is the second largest gland in our body. False statement. Pancreas is the second largest gland. Liver is the largest gland in our body. Second, sebum provides the protective oily covering of the skin. Another skin gland called sebaceous gland, which secrete sebum. Correct. Bile contains substance like bilirubin, biliverdin, these two breakdown product of the hemoglobin, cholesterol, degraded steroid hormone, vitamins, drugs are passed with the digestive waste. Hence, liver act as a excretory organ. 4. Other than the kidney, lungs, liver and skin also helps in elimination of the excretory products. Correct. Incorrect statement 1. Answer 1. Question number 37. Match the excretory function of the section 1 with the parts of the excretory system in a section 2. Choose the correct combination from the among the answer given. Ultrafiltration. Filtration of substance from blood of glomerulus into the Bowman's capsule. It occurs in the Malpighian corpuscles. Concentration of the urine. Henle's law play an important role in concentration of the urine. Transport of urine. Ureter transfer the urine from kidney to the urinary bladder. Storage of urine, urinary bladder. Correct answer 1. Question number 38. Observe the following figure and identify A to E. A. Inferior vena cava. B. Kidney. C. Medulla. D. Renal artery. E. Urinary bladder. Correct option 2. Question number 39. Following are the steps of dialysis. Dialysis means separation of solute from solution by the use of semi-permeable membrane. Two different type of dialysis. One called peritoneal dialysis, another one called hemodialysis. Hemodialysis uses dialyzing machine. Steps. Blood is drained from convenient artery mixed with the heparin, anticoagulant, pass through this cellophane tube. Cellophane tube is a cellophane membrane that covers the tube. It is an artificial membrane used in dialyzing machine, which is bathed in dialysate isotonic to the blood. Once again, it is mixed with anti-heparin and pumped back to the vein in a sequential order. Answer 2. Question number 40. The following diagram represents the Malpighian body. Identify A to D. Malpighian body. A. Efferent renal arteriole. B. Bowman's capsule. C. Afferent renal arteriole. D. Proximal convoluted tubule. Answer 3. Question number 41. B part of the above diagram contains. So the section of the kidney B. B means here column of Bettany or the renal column. This renal column rich in uriniferous tubule as well as blood vessels. Correct answer 4. 42. Assertion and reason. Assertion. Diabetes insipidus is marked by the excess urination and too much thirst of water. Correct statement. Diabetes insipidus Individual excrete large amount of dilute urine due to under secretion of ADH hormone. Reason: ADH, antidiuretic hormone, released by the posterior lobe of the pituitary. Released by the posterior lobe of the pituitary. Assertion is correct, reason is correct, not correct explanation for assertion. Hence correct answer B. Question number 33. Assertion: presence of glucose and ketone bodies in urine are the indicative of diabetes mellitus. So diabetes mellitus, in which individual excrete glucose, glycosuria or ketonuria. Assertion is correct. Reason: malfunctioning of the kidney can lead to accumulation of urea in blood, a condition called uremia. Uremia is the accumulation of urea in blood due to malfunctioning of the kidney. Assertion is correct, reason is correct, and reason is not correct explanation for assertion. Hence answer 2. Question number 44. Assertion: urinary bladder and ureters are lined by transitional epithelium. Transitional epithelium with great flexibility located in urinary bladder as well as ureter. Assertion is correct. Reason: ureter carry urine to the urinary bladder where it is stored in temporarily. Reason is correct. Both statements are correct and not correct explanation for assertion. Answer 2. Question number 45. Assertion: in vertebrates, the liver also referred as accessory excretory organ by excreting bilirubin, biliverdin, cholesterol, etc. Correct. Reason: liver helps in kidney in secretion of urine. Reason is false. Assertion is correct. Correct answer 3. 46. Assertion: counter current mechanism is responsible for concentration of the urine. Urine is concentrated by counter current mechanism. Correct statement. Reason: counter current mechanism help to maintain some concentration gradient in the medullary interstitium. Correct. Reason is correct explanation for assertion. Answer 1. 47. Assertion: some amount of urea is retained in medullary interstitium. Correct. Reason: this used to maintain the required concentration of the medullary interstitium. Medullary interstitium with high osmolarity. Urea play important role in maintenance of high osmolarity of the medullary interstitium. Correct answer 1. Renal tubules used to maintain ionic balance and pH of the body fluid. Correct. By selective secretion of H plus ion, K plus ion and ammonia. Correct. Reason: H plus, K plus and ammonia could be secreted into the filtrate by the renal tubule. Both assertion and reasons are correct, and reason is correct explanation for assertion. Answer 1. 49. Podocytes present in the visceral layer of the Bowman's capsule are specialized. Podocytes are specialized squamous epithelial cell with the foot process. Answer 2. Question number 50. Which of the following does not favor the formation of large quantities of dilute urine? Alcohol, caffeine, ANF factor, except arenin. Answer 3. Match the following. Column 1, column 2. Glycosuria, glucose excreted through the urine. Presence of glucose urine, diabetes mellitus. Renal calculi, stone in kidney. Mass of crystallized salts within the kidney, renal calculus or kidney stone. Glomerular nephritis, inflammation of the glomeruli. Gout, gout means accumulation of uric acid in joints. Correct answer 3. Second chapter, neural control and coordination. Two different types of coordination in our body. One called it as neural, second one called it as chemical. Two or more organs which interact and complement the functions of one another. Two different types of coordination, one neural and second one chemical. Question number 1. Which of the following is a motor neuron? Peripheral nervous system may be afferent or it may be efferent. Afferent called sensory, efferent called it as motor. Afferent transmit impulses from sensory organ to the central nervous system. Motor, otherwise called efferent, transmit impulse from central nervous system to the effector organs like gland or it may be muscle. Question: which of the following is a motor neuron? Answer 2. Question number 2. In the resting nerve, what is true? So this is the axonal membrane, axolemma. So this axolemma with more number of ionic channel, mainly sodium, potassium or sodium potassium channel. In a resting state, more number of positive ion toward the outer side, more number of negative ion toward the outer side. It is maintained by efflux and influx of the ion. The resting membrane potential is maintained by pumping of 3 sodium ion from cytosol to the extracellular region and 2 potassium ion pumped in. Answer: 3 sodium ion pumped out for every 2 potassium pumped in to maintain the resting membrane potential. Answer 2. Question number 3. By which nervous system and what type of the message is supplied to the visceral organs? Nervous system broadly classified into 2 types. Number 1, central nervous system. Second one, peripheral nervous system. Central nervous system, which include brain as well as the spinal cord. Peripheral nervous system, it may be cranial nerves or it may be spinal nerves. So another classification in which peripheral nervous system classified into 2 types, one called somatic nervous system, second one called autonomic nervous system. Somatic nervous system, which regulate the voluntary structures like a skeletal muscle. Autonomic nervous system, not controlled of our will, which regulate the involuntary structures like smooth muscle, heart, etc. This autonomic nervous system may be sympathetic or it may be parasympathetic nervous system. So these two are involuntary. Correct answer 4. Question number 4. Sympathetic nerves in mammalian arise from thoracolumbar region. Correct answer 3. Question number 5. Unidirectional transmission of nerve impulse to the nerve fiber is due to the fact that this is the one neuron, another neuron. This is the axon, this is the dendrite. So the flow of electrical current from one neuron to the another neuron. So impulse transfer from one neuron to the another neuron. This is the axonal terminal. This axonal terminal rich in neurotransmitters. Dendrite without neurotransmitter. Hence transmission of nerve impulse from unidirectional from presynaptic bulb to the postsynaptic bulb. Neurotransmitters are released by the axon ending and not by the dendrite. Neurotransmitter is essential for transmission of nerve impulse from one neuron to another neuron through the synapse. Correct answer 4. Question number 6. During the transmission of the nerve impulse through a nerve fiber, the potential on the inner side of the plasma membrane, has which type of the electrical charge? So the axon in a polarized state, more number of positive ion toward the outer, more number of negative ion toward the inner. First, negative. When stimulus is applied to the particular site, rapid influx of sodium ion, hence increase in positive ion, and bring back to the normal called repolarization, and once again it become negative. 4 statement is correct. Option 4. Question number 7. Myelin sheath of the nerve fibers of the central nervous system is produced and maintained by. Nervous system is made up of 2 different type of structures, one called neuron, structural and functional unit of nervous system, and second one called it as supporting cells. Supporting cells are of different types. So here myelin sheath of the nerve fiber of 2 type, one called myelinated, another one called non-myelinated nerve fiber. Myelin sheath in central nervous system is produced by the oligodendrocyte, a type of supporting cells. Answer 1. Question number 8. Mark the correct statement. Electrical synapses are more common in our neural system than chemical synapse. Synapses are of 2 types, one called it as electrical synapse, second called chemical synapse. Synapse means junction between the 2 neurons. Synaptic transmission, transmission of nerve impulse through the synapse called synaptic transmission. It may be electrical or it may be chemical. Electrical synapses are more common in our neural system. False statement. Chemical synapses are more chemical synapses are more common in our neural system compared to electrical. Electrical synapses are rare in our body. First statement is incorrect. Second, new potential in the postsynaptic neuron may be either excitatory or it may be inhibitory. The neurotransmitter may be excitatory or it may be inhibitory. Second statement is correct. Third, hypothalamus is a major coordination center for sensory and motor signaling. Hypothalamus, not a hypothalamus, thalamus is a major coordination center. Third statement is wrong. Fourth, the tract of nerve fiber that connect the two cerebral hemispheres are corpora bigemina. Corpora bigemina, part of midbrain found in embryonic stages. Tract of nerve fiber that connect two cerebral hemisphere called corpus callosum. It is a mammalian feature. Fourth statement is wrong. Correct answer second. Question number 9. Cerebral cortex, the outer layer of cerebrum called white matter. Neurons are arranged in two different manner in central nervous system. One called it as gray matter, another one called white matter. White appears whitish in color, so usually it is rich in myelinated axon. Gray matter appears grayish in color, made up of generally cyton as synapse, dendrite, etc. So in brain, gray matter towards the outer side and white matter towards the inner side. In spinal cord, gray matter towards the inner side and white matter towards the outer side. So cerebral cortex, outer layer of the cerebrum, cortex means outer layer, and it is called gray matter. See this diagram. Answer 3. Question number 10. Nervous system disease result from the loss of support cells or of substances produced by support cells. The primary function of these support cell is to. There are different type of supporting cell associated with the central nervous system. Number 1, acts as a supporting structure within the nervous system. Correct. Produce insulating material around the axon. Correct, related to the supporting cell. Third, assist in the conduction of impulses along the neuron. For example, Schwann cell, type of supporting cell, it increases the velocity of a conduction. All statements are correct. Correct answer 4. Question number 11. The diagram shows the structure of neuron. Identify A to E. A, dendrites. B, cyton or maybe cell body. C, Schwann cells. D, node of Ranvier, junction between the two Schwann cell called node of Ranvier. E, synaptic end bulb or synaptic knob. Correct answer 2. Question number 12. Study the diagram of the synapse. So this is synaptic junction, presynaptic end bulb, postsynaptic end bulb, separated each other by means of a synaptic cleft. Statement 1. Which numbered label indicate the location of the receptor molecules? Receptor molecules located in a postsynaptic end bulb. So these are the receptor for neurotransmitter. Which number point the synaptic vesicle? Presynaptic vesicle filled with neurotransmitter. These are called vesicle A. Which number point the neurotransmitter? Synaptic vesicle filled with neurotransmitters. So meant by transmission of the nerve impulse. Which number point the synaptic cleft? Synaptic cleft is the gap between presynaptic and postsynaptic neuron. Correct answer 1. Question number 13. Correct sequence of depolarization and repolarization. Stimulus applied at the site of the polaroid membrane. This is a polaroid membrane. More number of positive ion toward the outer, more number of negative ion towards inner. B. Increases permeability of sodium. When stimulus is applied to the particular site, rapid influx of the sodium. Number C. Generation of the action potential. When stimulus is applied, reversal of polarity. So electrical potential difference due to stimulus, it is called action potential. Fourth, increase in the permeability of the K+ ion, so called repolarization, otherwise called resting, to maintain the resting membrane potential. E. Restoration of membrane of the potential in a sequential order A, B, C, D, E related to depolarization and the repolarization of the axonal membrane. Correct answer 1. Question number 14. The lateral ventricles of the brain open into the third ventricle via. Ventricles are the cavities of the brain lined by ependymal cells filled with cerebrospinal fluid. 4 different types of ventricles or cavities found in brain, called first and second called lateral ventricle, found in cerebral hemisphere. Third ventricle found in diencephalon. Fourth ventricle found in medulla oblongata. First and second connect with the third ventricle by means of foramen of Monro. And the correct answer 3. Foramen of Magendie. So it is a duct connect the fourth ventricle with the meninges of the brain. Foramen of Magnum. So see this diagram. It is a occipital bone. So it's a cranial bone. So occipital bone. Spinal cord emerge out through a pore, called it as foramen of Magnum. Correct answer 3rd. Question number 15. Select the total number of true statements from the following. 1. 2 types of synapse, chemical, electrical. Correct statement. B. Electrical synapses are rare in our body. Correct statement. 3rd. In chemical synapse, the membrane of pre and postsynaptic neurons are in very close proximity. False statement. So in electrical synapse, pre and postsynaptic membranes are close proximity. In chemical synapse, these 2 membranes are separated each other by means of a synaptic cleft. 4th, transmission of impulse across the electrical synapse is very similar to impulse conduction along the single axon. In electrical synapse, direct transmission of nerve impulse from one neuron to another neuron. E. At the chemical synapse, the membrane of pre and postsynaptic neurons are separated by fluid filled space called synaptic cleft. Answer 3. Question number 16. Injury localized to the hypothalamus would most disrupt short-term memory, executive functions such as decision making, judgment, as well as consciousness. All are the functions of the cerebral hemisphere. So hypothalamus regulate the body temperature. Correct answer 4. Question number 17. Sagittal section of the human brain is shown here. A. Cerebrum. B. Hypothalamus. C. Pons. D. Medulla oblongata. Correct answer A. Cerebrum. C. Pons. Correct answer 3. Question number 18. Statement A. Medulla oblongata causes reflex action like vomiting, coughing and sneezing. Medulla oblongata with the different reflex center like vomiting, coughing and sneezing. Correct statement. Assertion is correct. Statement B. It has many nerve cells which control atomic reflexes. Correct. Answer 1. 19. Select the correct terms for the following alphabet. The dash wraps around the structure called thalamus, which is a major coordinating center for dash and C signaling. Cerebrum wrap around the structure called thalamus, which is a major coordinating center for sensory as well as motor. Correct option 4. Question number 20. How many of following statements are correct? Number 1. A canal called corpora quadrigemina passes through the midbrain. False or incorrect. A canal called cerebral aqueduct passes through the midbrain. Corpora quadrigemina is a part of the regions of the midbrain. First statement is wrong. B. Midbrain and hindbrain form the brainstem. Correct. Brainstem, midbrain and hindbrain together called brainstem. Correct. Third, hypothalamus lies at the base of the thalamus with a number of centers to control the body temperature, urge of eating, drinking, etc. Correct. D. Corpus callosum is a tract of nerve fiber connect the cerebellar hemisphere. Fourth statement is wrong. corpus callosum connects to cerebral hemisphere. E. The afferent neuron receives the signal from the sensory organ and transmit via dorsal nerve root in the spinal cord. Correct statement. F. The cerebral cortex contains large regions that are neither sensory nor motor called an association area. How many statements? 4 statements are correct. Answer 2. 21. Human brain protected by the skull. Inside the skull, brain covered by the cranial meninges. Layer of meninges from inner to the outer. Meninges are the protective covering of the central nervous system made up of 3 layers. One called dura mater, another arachnoid, third one called it as pia mater. So here pia mater, arachnoid and dura mater. Dura mater applied to the skull bone and pia mater applied to the brain. Correct answer 3. Question number 22. A patient is admitted to the hospital after the head injury and sinks rapidly into coma. An MRI scan indicates an extradural hemorrhage because of extravased blood between skull bone as well as dura mater. Correct option 2. Question number 23. An area in the brain which is associated with strong emotion, sexual behavior, strong emotion located within a limbic system made up of different structure which include amygdala, hippocampus concerned with strong emotion. Answer 3. Question number 24. Statement A. Inner part of the cerebral hemisphere and a group of associated deep structures called amygdala, hippocampus form a structure called limbic system. Deep structure associated with the forebrain called limbic lobe or limbic system. Correct. Statement B. It is involved in the regulation of sexual behavior, expression of excitement, pleasure, etc. Functions of limbic system. Both A and B are correct and B is not correct explanation for assertion. Answer 2. How many of the following cranial nerves and its natures are correct? Cranial nerves are the nerves take their origin from the cranium. 12 pairs of cranial nerves in human numbered 1 to 12. Olfactory, sensory, optic, sensory, oculomotor, motor, trochlear, motor, trigeminal, both, abducens, motor, facial, both, vestibulocochlear, sensory, glossopharyngeal, both, vagus, both, accessory, motor, hypoglossal, motor. All are correct. Answer 4. Question number 26. The pathway of reflex arc, neuronal pathway that brings about reflex action is called it as reflex arc, which include following component. Number 1, sensory organ. Number 2, afferent neuron. Number 3, interneuron found in the spinal cord. Motor neuron or efferent neuron, and with effector organ, either muscle or it may be gland. Sense organ, sensory neuron, spinal cord, motor neuron, muscle. Third statement is correct. Question number 27. Which among the following incorrect with respect to conditioned reflexes? Based on the development, 2 different type of reflexes. Number 1 called inborn. Inborn means occurring by birth. It is unconditional. Learned reflexes, otherwise called acquired reflexes, develops after birth by repeated practice, called learned reflexes, otherwise called conditioned reflexes. Number 1, trained reflex with a specific repeated external stimulus. Correct. Number 2, Pavlov experiment in which dogs salivate at the ringing of the bell over a period of time. Every feeding is preceded by the bell ringing stimulus. Correct, related to conditioned reflex. Looking left and right before crossing the road and driving are the example for conditional reflexes. Correct. 4th, it is an inborn. It is not inborn. It is acquired, developed after birth by repeated practice. Incorrect statement 4th, answer 4. 28. Which is incorrect pair with respect to the spinal nerves? Spinal nerves are the nerves take their origin from the spinal cord. 31 pairs of spinal nerves in human. Number 1, cervical nerve found in neck, 8 pairs. Correct statement. Number 2, thoracic found in chest, 12 pairs. Correct. Lumbar, abdomen, 5 pairs. Lumbar, abdomen, 5 pairs. Correct. Sacral not a tail, abdominal region, 5 pairs instead of 4 pairs. Fourth statement is incorrect, hence correct answer is the 4. 29. The defective condition of the eye in which distant objects are seen distinct but near objects are indistinct is called hypermetropia. Call it as long-sightedness. This is the normal vision. Myopia, hyperopia. Myopia in which image fall in front of the retina. Hypermetropia behind the retina itself. The correct answer hypermetropia. In astigmatism, lens becomes curved that leads to the blurred vision. Glaucoma, increased pressure within the eye, may be due to diabetes. Correct answer 4. Question number 30. Eyes of cats glitter at night due to the presence of tapetum cellulosum. Correct answer 2. Luciferin is a chemical found in living organism which emit biological light. Porphyropsin found in fishes. It is a pigment found in fishes. Tapetum fibrosum reflect visible light back through the retina. Eyes of the cats glitter because of tapetum cellulosum. Correct answer 2. Question number 31. Ora serrata is a part of retina. Correct answer 1. In between the retina, or the junction between the retina and the ciliary body, there is a serrated structure called it as ora serrata. It is a part of the retina. Option 1. Question number 32. A person wearing spectacles with the concave lens for correcting the vision while not using the glasses, the image of a distinct object in his case will be formed in front of the retina. So the hyperopia, myopia. Hyperopia, so behind the retina, image behind the retina corrected by means of convex lens, and myopia is corrected by the means of concave lenses. Correct answer 3, in front of the retina. Question number 33. Which of the following is correct difference between the rod cell and the cone cells of our retina? Retina is made up of 2 different photoreceptor cells, rods as well as the cone. Number 1, rods. Optimal light condition, rod bright light, cone dim light. Wrong. Rods are sensitive to dim light, cones are sensitive to bright light. Wrong. Appearance, narrow, wider. Rods are narrow and cones are wider. Correct. Third, number. Rods 1.2 billion, cones 6 million. Fourth, visual pigment. Rod is made up of rhodopsin protein, cone is made up of iodopsin. Correct related to the rods and cones. 2. 34. The direction of the light striking the retina will be. So retina is made up of different layers. So photosensory cells, rods as well as cone. Number 2, bipolar neuron. Number 3, ganglionic cells. Number 4, sensory neurons. Correct answer 1. Question number 35. Twilight vision is also called as twilight, otherwise called scotopic vision, and in the functions of the rods. Correct answer 1. Question number 36. Find out the incorrect statement. Lens is transparent and crystalline. Correct. Iris is pigmented and it gives color to the eye. Correct. The aperture surrounded by the iris called pupil. This is the pupil found between the iris. Correct. Twilight vision is the functions of the cones. Photopic vision, not the twilight. Photopic vision is the functions of the cones. Twilight or dim light vision is the functions of the rod. 4th statement is incorrect. Correct answer 4. Question number 37. In mammalian eye, the power of accommodation is controlled by the changing the shape of the lens. It is governed by ciliary body. It is a part of choroid. So it regulates the structure of the lens. Correct answer 4. 38. Vitreous chamber is filled with 2 chambers associated with the eye. One called aqueous chamber, second one vitreous chamber. Aqueous chamber filled with aqueous solution and vitreous humor filled with transparent gel called vitreous humor. Correct answer 2. 44. In the internal ear, the organ of cortex which bears a hair cells located, this organ of cortex located in scala media, is the structure of internal structure of the cochlea with the three canals, scala vestibuli, scala media, scala tympani. So organ of cortex located in scala media. Correct answer 2. Question number 39. Select the incorrect statement from the following. Rhodopsin is also known as visual purple. Correct. Rods contain purplish red protein which in turn contain the derivative of vitamin A. Correct. In human eye, three types of cones, red, green and blue. Correct. At fovea of retina, the resolution is minimum. Wrong. So this is the blind spot. Above the blind spot, there is a yellow pigmented area called macula with the central pit called it as fovea with abundant cones. Resolution is minimum. So resolution is not minimum, it is maximum. Option 4. Incorrect. 40. Arrange the following steps in mechanism vision in the order. Focusing of visible light on a retina first. Number 2, light induced dissociation of retinal from the opsin. It is made up of protein called rhodopsin, split into retinal as well as opsin. Change in structure of opsin, change in the membrane permeability, potential difference are generated in the photoreceptor cells, generation of action potential through the bipolar cell, action be transmitted via optic nerve to the visual cortex. At visual cortex, nerve impulses are analyzed and the image formed on a retina recognized based on the earlier memory and the experience. 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 in a sequential order. Correct answer 1. 41. Which one of the following statement is not correct? Not correct. Diameter of the pupil is regulated by the muscle fibers of the iris. Correct. Photopigments in the human eye is composed of opsin, a protein, and the retinal aldehyde. Correct. Third, retinol is a derivative of vitamin C. Wrong. Retinol is a derivative of vitamin A. Third statement is incorrect. Choroid contains many blood vessels and look bluish in color. Correct. Correct option third. 42. Given below is a diagrammatic cross section of a single loop of human cochlea. Which one of the following option correctly represent the names of three different parts? A. Perilimb. A. Filled with the perilimb. Scala vestibuli, scala tympani, both are filled with perilimb. B. Tectorial membrane, organ of cortex, covered over by a thin elastic membrane called tectorial membrane. C. Filled with endolimb. Correct answer 2. Question number 43. The dash is attached to the tympanic membrane and the dash is attached to the oval window of the cochlea. Middle ear with the three ossicles called malleus, incus and stapes. The dash is attached to the tympanic membrane. Malleus is attached to the tympanic membrane and stapes attached to the oval window of the cochlea. Correct answer third. Question number 45. The waxy substance that coats the surface of the auditory canal is produced by ceruminous gland, which is a modified sebaceous gland which secrete cerumen, otherwise called earwax. Correct answer 4. Number 1, Haldane glands, Meibomian glands, GS glands, all are eye glands which secrete oil. Correct answer 4. 46. Specific receptor of the vestibular apparatus for the maintenance of balance of the body and the posture is. So the cochlea, above the cochlea is called it as vestibular apparatus. So inside the vestibule of the sensory cells called it as macula as well as a crista. These two take part in balancing. Correct answer 4. 47. Gymnast is able to balance his body upside down even in the total darkness because of vestibular apparatus which maintain the balance. Correct option 2. Match the column with column 2. Pinna. collect the vibrations in the air which produces sound. Ear canal, passage for sound wave from pinna to the eardrum. Tympanic membrane transfer the sound waves to the ear ossicle. Ear ossicle increases the efficiency of transmission of sound. Cochlea has hearing receptors. Eustachian tube equalize the pressure on both sides of the eardrum. Correct answer 4. 49. Select the correct matching pair. Inner ear ossicle, Malleus incus stapes. Wrong. Inner ear, middle ear ossicle, Malleus incus and stapes. Number 2. Scala media filled with perilimb. Wrong. Scala media filled with endolimb. Third. Fluid filled inner ear called labyrinth. Correct. Fourth. Bony labyrinth surrounded by tympanic membrane. Wrong. It is surrounded by the ricinar membrane as well as basilar membrane. Select the correct matching answer 3. Third chapter, chemical coordination and integration. Chemical coordination is by hormone generally secreted by the endocrine glands. Question number 50. Which one of the following statement is correct? 1. Endocrine glands regulate the neural activity and neural system regulate the endocrine gland. Correct statement. Answer 1. Neither hormone control neural activity nor the neuron control endocrine activity. Wrong. Endocrine glands regulate neural activity but not vice versa. Wrong. Neurons regulate the endocrine activity but not vice versa. Possible answer 1. 51. Which of the following statement is correct in relation to the endocrine gland? Adenohypophysis is under the direct neural regulation of the hypothalamus. Wrong statement. So the pituitary, adenohypophysis, neurohypophysis. Adenohypophysis under the regulation of thalamus through portal or hypophyseal portal system. First statement is wrong. Second, thymus gland regulate the sleep-wake cycle. Wrong. Pineal gland regulate the sleep-wake cycle. Third, non-nutrient chemical produced by the body in trace amount that act as an intercellular messenger are known as hormones. Correct definition of the hormones, which are non-nutrient chemicals produced in a trace amount, act as an intercellular messenger. Correct statement. Fourth, releasing and inhibitory hormones are produced by the pituitary gland. Wrong. Releasing and inhibitory hormones secreted by the hypothalamus of the brain, not the pituitary. Correct answer 4. 52. Somatostatin. Somatostatin is secreted by the pancreas here. It inhibits the release of insulin as well as glucagon. These two hormones play an important role in glucose homeostasis. Correct answer 3. Question number 53. Posterior pituitary store and releases. Posterior pituitary, otherwise called neurohypophysis. Its hormone is secreted by the hypothalamus, but it is stored in posterior pituitary itself, which include oxytocin as well as vasopressin. These two hormones are released from the posterior pituitary. Correct answer 4. 54. Identify A to F in the given figure. A. Medulla. B. Pineal gland. C. Hypothalamus. D. Thyroid gland. E. Thymus. F. Adrenal gland. Correct answer 2. Question number 55. Select the correct option about the hypothalamus. It is ectodermal in origin. Correct. Provide anatomical connection between the nervous system and the endocrine system. Correct. Number 2. Supreme commander of the endocrine system, master of master gland. Correct. Neurosecretory cells produce both releasing hormone as well as stimulatory hormone. Wrong. Hypothalamus of the brain with the more number of neurosecretory cells produce both releasing hormone and inhibitory hormone, not stimulatory hormone. Third statement is wrong. Fourth, hypophyseal portal system regulate the functions of the anterior pituitary. This is a hypophyseal system which regulates the anterior pituitary. Correct. Posterior pituitary is under the direct neural regulation of the hypothalamus. Posterior pituitary is regulated by the hypothalamus through the neural system. Answer 4. Melanocyte stimulating hormone is produced by melanocyte stimulating hormone produced by the pars intermedia of the pituitary. In human, pars intermedia is merged with the pars distalis, part of the forebrain. Correct option 2. 57. Choose the correct answer. Adenohypophysis or anterior pituitary consists of pars distalis, pars intermedia. Correct. Pars distalis commonly called anterior pituitary. Correct statement. In human, pars intermedia is merged with the pars distalis. Correct. Pars nervosa also known as posterior pituitary. All statements are correct. Correct answer 4. 58. The urine of a man is very dilute and the quantity of urine is too much. Dehydration has started in his body and he is very thirsty by the cause of hyposecretion of ADH. Antidiuretic hormone is released by the posterior pituitary, stimulate the reabsorption of water from the kidney tubule. Its hyposecretion leads to the diabetes insipidus. Correct answer 2. 59. What is correct to say about the hormone action in human? Glucagon is secreted by beta cell of islets of Langerhans. False. Glucagon is secreted by the alpha cell of the islets. First statement is wrong. 2. Secretion of thymosin is stimulated by the aging. False. Thymus secrete thymosin, so its secretion is maximum at the time of puberty, gradually atrophies. Second statement is wrong. Third, in female, FS first bind with the specific receptor on a ovarian cell membrane. So this is the FSH hormone. It binds to the receptor present on the plasma membrane. Thereby, it sends second messenger and produce their effect. Third statement is correct. Fourth, FSH stimulates the secretion of estrogen, progesterone, and relaxin. LH stimulates, luteinizing hormone stimulates the secretion of estrogen, progesterone, and the relaxin. Fourth, third statement is incorrect. Option 4. 60. Which of the following endocrine gland is not paired? Gonads are paired. Thymus is not paired. Parathyroid, 2 pairs. Adrenal glands paired. So unpaired gland, thymus. Option 2. 61. Choose the correct answer. LH, luteinizing hormone, stimulates the synthesis and secretion of androgen. In male, it is called interstitial cell stimulating hormone. Stimulate the interstitial cell to release its hormone, androgen. Correct. Melanocyte stimulating hormone, it is a pituitary hormone. Regulate the skin pigmentation, function. Correct. Oxytocin stimulate uterine contraction, so it helps in childbirth. Secreted by or released by the posterior pituitary. Vasopressin, ADH, prevent diuresis. All are correct. Correct answer 4. 62. Which of the following is not under direct control of pituitary gland with respect to the regulation of its secretory function? Adrenal cortex. It is regulated by the pituitary hormone, adrenocorticotropic hormone. Thyroid stimulating hormone secreted by the pituitary gland. Testes, gonadotropin, regulated by the gonadotropin, FSH as well as LH. Hence correct answer 2. 63. Which of the following gland is correctly matched with the description? Thyroid hyperactivity in young children causes cretinism. Related to the thyroid gland, wrong. Hyperactivity, underactivity or hypoactivity in young children causes cretinism. Deficiency of iodine diet during pregnancy leads to the cretinism. Wrong. Number 2, thymus starts undergoing atrophy, degeneration after puberty. Correct. Third, parathyroid secrete parathyroid hormone which promote the movement of calcium ion from blood into the bones. Parathyroid hormone, otherwise called hypercalcemic hormone, it increases the calcium level in blood by movement of calcium ion from bones to blood during calcification. Third statement is incorrect. Fourth, pancreas delta cell of the islets of Langerhans secrete a hormone which stimulate glycolysis. Wrong statement. beta cells of the islets of Langerhans which secrete insulin which promote glycolysis. Correct description second. Question number 64. Match the source of gland with its respective hormones as well as the function. Posterior pituitary vasopressin stimulate the reabsorption of water in the distal tubule in the nephron. Correct. Number 2. Corpus luteum estrogen support the pregnancy. Wrong. Progesterone support the pregnancy. Third. Thyroid gland thyroxine regulate the calcium level. Thyrocalcitonin regulate the blood calcium level. Anterior pituitary oxytocin. Oxytocin is released by the posterior pituitary. Correct option 1. 5. Pineal gland is located on. So pineal gland located on dorsal side of the forebrain. It is part of the forebrain. Correct option 1. Question number 66. Identify the hormone with the correct matching of the source and the function. Oxytocin, posterior pituitary, growth and maintenance of the mammary gland. False. Oxytocin hormone performs two important functions, one called uterine effect, second one galactobolic effect. Growth and maintenance of the mammary gland is under the influence of prolactin hormone or estrogen hormone or progesterone hormone. Melatonin, pineal gland, regulate the normal rhythm of the sleep-wake cycle. Correct statement. Third, progesterone, corpus luteum, stimulate the growth and activity of female secondary sex organ. Wrong statement. So, estrogen promote the growth activity of female secondary organ, not the corpus luteum. Fourth, atrial natriuretic hormone secreted by ventricular wall. Wrong. Atrial wall and increase the blood pressure. It decrease the blood pressure. Fourth statement is wrong. Correct option 2. Question number 67. Calcitonin is a thyroid hormone which calcitonin, also called it a thyrocalcitonin, hypocalcemic factor, lower the calcium level in blood. Correct option 1. 68. Which of the following endocrine gland stores its secretion in the extracellular space before discharging into the blood? Thyroid gland. Thyroid gland made up of two different type of tissues. One called it a thyroid follicle made up of follicular cells. Number 2, stromal tissue. Thyroid follicle enclosing a cavity called it a thyroid lumen filled with hormone. Correct option 4. 69. Hypothyroidism in adult and hyperthyroidism will respectively lead to myxedema is a hypothyroidism, cretinism, hypothyroidism, Graves' disease is a hypothyroidism, Hashimoto disease, hypothyroidism, myxedema, osteitis fibrosa cystica, hypothyroidism, myxedema, hypothyroidism, hyperparathyroidism, osteitis fibrosa cystica. So hyperparathyroid, oversecretion of parathyroid hormone, so decreases the bone mass, increased risk of fracture, called it as osteitis fibrosa cystica. Third option is correct. Addison disease is a hyposecretion of cortisol hormone or aldosterone hormone. Correct option 3. Question number 70. Aldosterone helps in the maintenance of, so aldosterone, so otherwise called salt retaining hormone. Its function, electrolyte and body fluid volume maintenance, osmotic pressure balance, blood pressure, all of the functions of aldosterone. It is a mineralocorticoid secreted by the adrenal gland. Correct option 4. Question number 71. The toxic agent present in food which interfere with the thyroxine synthesis leads to the development of simple goiter. Correct option 3. Toxic goiter is due to the iodine rich in tablet. Number 2, criticism, hypothyroidism, thyrotoxicosis, oversecretion of thyroxine hormone. So correct option simple goiter 3. Question number 72. Select the answer which correctly matches A. Endocrine gland, B. Hormone, C. Function or deficiency symptoms. Anterior pituitary oxytocin, wrong. Anterior pituitary oxytocin is secreted by the or released by the posterior pituitary. 2. Posterior pituitary growth hormone. Growth hormone is secreted by the anterior pituitary. Third, thyroid secrete thyroxine hormone. Lack of iodine in the diet result goiter. Correct statement. Corpus luteum, testosterone, false. Testosterone is secreted by the testes, interstitial cells. So corpus luteum secrete progesterone hormone. Fourth one is wrong. Correct option 3. 73. Graves' disease is caused due to hypersecretion of thyroid gland. Option 1. 74. Main function of the thyroid hormone, mainly thyroxine, regulation of basal metabolic rate, calorigenic hormone, production of RBC, correct, control carbohydrate metabolism, protein metabolism and fat metabolism. All are the functions of the thyroxine hormone or thyroid hormone. Correct option 4. PTH, parathyroid hormone, it is secreted by the parathyroid gland. It is a hypercalcemic factor, increase the blood calcium level. Increases the calcium level blood, correct. Cause bone resorption, dissolution of the bone, reabsorb calcium from the renal tubule, thereby increase the calcium level in blood. Option 4. 76. Which one of the following pairs correctly matches the hormone with the disease resulting from the deficiency? Insulin, diabetes insipidus, wrong. Insulin, diabetes mellitus. Hyposecretion of ADH hormone causes diabetes insipidus. Relaxin, gigantism. Oversecretion of growth hormone in children leads to gigantism. Prolactin, cretinism. Cretinism, undersecretion of iodine or hypothyroidism leads to cretinism. Fourth, parathyroid hormone leads to muscular tetany. Correct option 4. 77. Mammals born without thymus gland fails to manufacture. Thymus gland produce only one hormone called it as thymosin hormone. So helps in differentiation and maturation of the T lymphocytes. Correct option 2. 78. Epinephrine. Epinephrine is norepinephrine secreted by the adrenal medulla, together called catecholamine. Emergency hormone secreted during emergency situation, secreted from the adrenal medulla, medullary hormone, and it increases the heart rate. Correct option 2. 79. Both adrenaline and cortisol are secreted in response to stress. Which of the following statement is true for both of these hormones? So they acts increase blood sugar level during emergency situation. Correct option 1. If a human female start developing a male characteristic like beard, degeneration of the uterus and ovaries, enlargement of clitoris, etc., it may be due to overproduction of the estrogen and testosterone, false. Damage to the posterior pituitary, false. Third, overproduction of adrenal androgen. So adrenal gland secrete hormones called it as corticoids. So mineralocorticoid, glucocorticoid as well as sex corticoids. So one such sex corticoid is the androgen. Its overproduction in female leads to development of beard, degeneration of the uterus as well as ovaries, enlargement of the clitoris. It is because of overproduction of adrenal androgen. Correct option 3. 81. Feeling the tremors of an earthquake, scared residents of a 7th floor of a multi-story building starts climbing down the stairs rapidly. Which hormone initiated this action? It is because of adrenaline hormone. It is secreted during emergency situation. Correct option 1. 82. Glycogenesis is the result of hormone of beta cells of the insulin. So beta cells secrete insulin, so it promote glycogenesis, formation of glycogen. Glucose is converted into glycogen and it is stored. Correct option 2. 83. Choose the correct answer regarding the glucagon and the insulin. So insulin causes glycogenolysis. Glycogenolysis means glycogen to glucose. Insulin convert glucose into glycogen. Wrong. Number 2, insulin causes gluconeogenesis. Gluconeogenesis means conversion of non-carbohydrate converted into carbohydrate. Wrong. Third, glucagon, it's secreted by the alpha cell, stimulate glycogenolysis, conversion of glycogen into glucose. Correct. Fourth one is glucagon inhibit the gluconeogenesis. Glucagon stimulate the gluconeogenesis, non-carbohydrate converted into carbohydrate. Correct option third. 84. If the ovaries from the pregnant women are removed in a 4th month of the pregnancy, then embryo develops normally till birth. Third statement is correct. Option 3. 85. Which of the following is functions of testosterone? Testosterone hormone secreted by the interstitial cells of the testes. It is a male sex hormone. Stimulate the muscular growth, aggressiveness. Correct. Influences male sexual behavior, libido. Correct. Causes anabolic effect on protein and carbohydrate metabolism. Option 4. All of these. Correct option 4 related to the testosterone. Identify the correct option for the 3 blanks A, B, C. Gland A, secretion of estrogen. Estrogen is secreted by the ovary. A is the ovary, maintenance of secondary sexual characteristic. Islets of Langerhans raises the blood sugar. Glucagon increases the blood sugar level. B, glucagon. Third, anterior pituitary oversecretion leads to the gigantism. And C, the growth hormone secreted by the anterior pituitary. Correct option 4. 87. Atrial natriuretic factor leads to atrial natriuretic factor secreted by the heart. So it dilates the blood vessel. Number 2, decreases the blood pressure. Dilation leads to decreased blood pressure, thereby it decreases the glomerular filtration rate. Correct option 3. 88. Select the right match of endocrine gland and their hormones among the option given below. Pineal gland secrete melatonin hormone. Thyroid gland secrete tetraiodothyronine. Ovary secrete estrogen. Adrenal medulla catecholamines epinephrine. Correct option 4. Cholecystokinin and the secretin. These two are gastrointestinal hormones. Cholecystokinin stimulate the release of bile juice from the gallbladder. Number 2, in addition, cholecystokinin stimulate the release of pancreatic enzyme. Secretin is another gastrointestinal hormone, stimulate the release of water as well as bicarbonate ion from the pancreatic juice. Correct option 1. Hormones liberated by the mucosa of duodenum stimulate the gallbladder and pancreatic respectively. Option 1. A chemical signal that has both endocrine as well as a neural. Epinephrine acts as hormone as well as it acts as a neurotransmitter. Correct option 3. Thank you one and all.